Hey man,
Hey,
you know what day it is?
Monday.
It's not just Monday, it's Mini-Sticks Monday!
You won't bless, cause it's Mini-Sticks Monday!
Mini-Stick Monday!
Mini-Stick Monday!
In the house! Mini-Sticks!
Mini-Sticks!
Mini-Sticks, y'all!
Mini-Sticks, y'all!
Mini-Stick Monday, Monday!
Mini-Stick Monday, Monday! Hey, I'm back.
We're
Mini-Sticks
back!
Monday. Yeah, we're back. Mini-Sticks Monday. I'm in the basement.
Alright,
Let's go.
hey guys, so today we're doing another Mini-Sticks Monday. We have Carolina versus Toronto. And it's not a regular old episode of Mini-Sticks Monday because we have live crowd noises and goal horns. Yes, we got the new famous goal horns app. Shout out to that. You can see it in our
Description.
our most recent video. And we're gonna be doing live crowd noises. Let's not spoil it. No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get playing.
And it's hooked up to a massive speaker, so
Okay, ready?
let's go.
Here we go. Let's get the crowd noises going.
Can't wait to hear my goal horn. Let's go.
There we go.